Alright guys, working on a Chevy Traverse here, and I want to show y'all just what one of these broken motor mounts look like. We've been working on one of them today, and we pulled it out, and that's what it looked like. And this is what the new one is supposed to look like. So if y'all having any fast, hard jerks in your motor when you swap it between drive and reverse or neutral, and then also you could have a loud vibration coming from your engine or whatever, a lot of times one of these will cause that. And this one's located on the top left of the engine. It's kind of hard to see, but you can get a flashlight and you can look up under there. You can see it cut or tore out, and that's what a bad motor mount looks like. We're gonna go ahead and replace one on this car right here. Peace.